Traders are playing the taco trade. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Saleh and this is a weekly market recap. And now to the key messages. Market succeeded in containing the profit taking that we saw the prior week. And now we reverse the downtrend thanks to the news on China deal and also Nvidia results, which was okay. It wasn't bad, it wasn't great, it was okay. At least it didn't bring the market down. The profit taking so far is less than expected, and it's okay if we continue to move horizontal. That would be the best case scenario, if not even going up. The S&P 500 on the weekly chart is doing great. As you can see, last week we have reversed the trend going down, and now we have a clear support around 5,750, where you can see the 21 moving average is intersecting with the 50 days moving average. So if we can keep above this point, it will be good news. If we cross this point downward, then I'm out of the market. No question about it. Now to the daily chart of the S&P 500. As you can see, we are continuing into ticking out the box on key important milestones. And now the 21 days moving average crossed the 200 days moving average. And we also had formed a bottom around the 200 days moving average. Very good setup. Now what we want to see is to cross this peak here, which is about 5,960. I would call it 6,000 because it's a very good round number. It can form a good resistance. If it's got broken, then it's a good news that we can continue upward toward the 6,200, which is the all-time high that we had achieved previously. So these are the key milestones that we need to break. You can see that at the start of the week was very strong because of the China deal, and then there was hardly any profit taking. It was fluctuating up and down. Friday we had some profit taking, but we managed to reverse the trend and closed nearly at the highest point of the day. May was a very good month. I think it was like fifth highest month in the history, where the S&P closed at 6%, Nasdaq closed at 9% gain, but because we had a lower base in April after the Liberation Day. Year to date is almost flat, except for the Russell 2000. The small cap are still suffering. Now, many traders are now trading what is called the taco trades. What are the taco trades? Trump always checking out. It happened in Mexico and Canada. He announced a tariff and then he checked out, and it happened in the Liberation Day. He announced a tariff and then he delayed it. It happened in EU. It happened on China. So he's saying this is a negotiation tactic. So whenever this is happening, the market is going down, and then he's reversing his announcement, delaying it, and the market goes up. So the current situation is that the market doesn't believe that there is tariff that's going to happen. We are now above the Liberation Day of April 2nd. So the market does not assume there's going to be any effect of the trade. And the market now is buying the dip. And this is what is called the taco trade. We are now at the end of the results season. So there are few companies that are announcing results. Thursday is the most important day, where we have Broadcom, Avgo, DocuSign, Lulu, and RBRK. On Friday, we have the unemployment report. We expect about 4.2. So let's see what's going to happen that day. On the trading strategy, I'm continuing and I'm focusing on the companies that are breaking out near the 52 weeks high, all-time high, like GE, RBLX, CVNA, ABH, and BLTR. There are lots of companies that are now breaking out near the 52 weeks high, so take care of that. I have a special video for these companies. I'll put the link at the end. And there are also companies that are breaking out after forming a base, like LW, for example, and C3.ai. Also keep an eye on the utilities. The announcement that happened last week had a very positive effect on the utilities, and they are not correcting that much, so most probably they will continue. So let's keep an eye on them. If they continue to go up after some profit taking, then it can be a good opportunity to go in. Thank you very much. That was it for this week.